So for lunch today, I'm having a tuna tartare from my Rocks box by Sherox. As you can see, it's beautifully packaged. I have some tuna, dressing, avocado, and salad. Usually I like to have a light lunch before my workouts, so this is perfect. Ever since the lockdown, I haven't been able to go to Sherox, which is my favorite restaurant. So I'm super happy that I'm able to just have this delivered at home and put it together myself. Alright, so there's my tuna, fresh, beautiful tuna, my dressing. I added my tuna in the bowl with the dressing. I'm just about to add a pinch of salt, not too much. Just a little bit more. Mix that together. Oh, this is so good. I'm gonna add some avocado, my lettuce, just a little bit more avocado. Mix that all together. And voila, I'm ready for lunch with just a little leftover just in case I need a little snack later.